What's up guys, my name is Blake and today we're going to be checking out some great new products from SNO Performance. Are you looking for performance and safety benefits of water methanol injection for your 2007 to 2015 Mitsubishi Evo X? If so, look no further because this is part number 40075, and this is an innovative water methanol plate bringing you everything you were looking for in a solid piece of billet aluminum. This plate will mount directly between the throttle body and the intake manifold, bringing you a great look, ease of install, and even better performance. Enjoy the placement of up to 2 SNO Performance hypersonic nozzles today with part number 40075. Now for more information on this plate or products alike, you can contact us via Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or just give us a call at 1-888-GO-FAST-1. Be sure to like and subscribe and check out our other great products on SNOperformance.net.